How to create Microsoft Teams account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to create a Microsoft Teams account, first things first, go to your Google Chrome and then type in Microsoft Teams and a page like this will appear. Tap on the sign in on the top right corner of the screen and then you will be redirected to a page like this. Here, since you don't have an account, you'll have to tap on create one and then you'll have to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the correct email address and then you can hit the next button. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email address and you just have to go to your mail and type in the code, and that's it. Then your Microsoft account will be created. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.